Water is the source of life. All human beings depend on water to survive, and both plants and livestock need this fluid in their lives. These days things are getting worse when it comes to water supply, with lakes, ponds and rivers drying up. These natural water supplies are not meant to run dry, but unfortunately here we are, faced with this predicament. Click the link in the description below this video for details. According to Mother Nature Network, some rivers, ponds and lakes are no longer functional as they have either dried up or are in the process of drying up. Now looking at that list, you can imagine where the world is heading to if the longest, and largest lakes in Africa, River Nile, and Lake Victoria are drying up already. Most of the global river systems are drying up or completely gone due to climate change, presence of dams, over-extraction and overfishing. When disasters as such are imminent, what do you do to make sure you survive? Do you fall down and cry, or kill yourself? What exactly are you going to do? Thanks to a survival guide known as World War Water, you will be able to avert the aftermath of the foretold mega drought that will storm the United States and occur within the space of 100 days. What is the World War Water Guide about? The generator collects the air moisture, turning it into water that is then filtered, and could generate a water output of 50 gallons per day. Although this generator could be a lifesaver, John Gilmore however tells us that the generator costs $1,000 to invent, thereby making it impossible for an average person to afford and buy it. However, John decided that this was the right time to invent his own version of the generator, so he did, and called this the H2O Dynamo. The H2O Dynamo is described as a water generator holding the ability to produce water that is up to 10 gallons per day, and that's why John Gilmore created the World War Water Guide, to help you understand more about the H2O Dynamo. The guide provides you with the required step-by-step guidelines on how to create your own H2O Dynamo for a reasonable few $100s. The program comes with a video tutorial that serves as a helpful visual guide, and also teaches us techniques that can be used to filter any water and make it safe and clear for drinking. Click the link in the description below this video for details.